I'm delighted to receive the Francis Hogan Medal. It means so much to me as a Welsh academic, and I'm delighted that I've had a long academic career in Wales.
Yeah, it's an absolute honour, and it's amazing to receive it here in the Senedd. It's especially fitting that this is just down the road from Techniquest, where I visited many times as a child, and it was part of me falling in love with science and engineering.
I'm honoured to receive the Hugh Medal from the Learning Society of Wales. I think it reflects the diversity of work across educational research, policy and practice. That's clearly hugely important for Wales as we embark upon these major education system level reforms that have been taking place over the last few years and will continue to do so over the coming years.
It's a truly wonderful experience and a real honour to be receiving this medal today, and I'm incredibly grateful to the Learning Society for this recognition, and having that recognition at the start of one's career is really very special, and I'm so fortunate too to have received such support from colleagues and friends over the years.
Well, I'm really proud and honoured to be here tonight to receive the medal. It's great validation for the work I do and for the people that I support and the people who've supported me over the past decade.
Yeah, I'm thrilled. I'm so happy to receive the medal, and it's such an honour and a privilege to get this award, this medal, on behalf of myself and my collaborators who